Hey everybody, welcome back to another JWS Media YouTube video. In this video we are going to be going over a quick tutorial on how you can build yourself a custom post page on your WordPress blog. First things first is you're going to want to install two plugins. You're going to want to have Elementor and you're going to want to have the Orbit Fox Companion plugin. So to do this you'll want to go down to the left hand side menu here and click on plugins. Here you'll see all the plugins that you already have installed. As you can see, I've got Elementor here and I've got Orbit Fox Companion over here. To install these plugins you want to click add new up in the top left hand corner here, and you'll want to search for both of the plugins. From here you'll want to install and activate both of them, and then you'll be ready to go. So once that's done, you're going to want to create a new page. So to do this, you want to hover over pages on the left hand side here and click add new. From here we're just going to name the page blog and we're going to save the draft. As you can see here, here's our permalink for this page. So you can just copy that and paste it into Google and see what it comes up. It doesn't come up with a page because we haven't published it yet. So that's good. So then we want to head over to edit with Elementor, and this is going to take us to the Elementor page builder. Take a few seconds to load. Here we go. This is our plain clean page. This is where the Orbit Fox Companion plugin comes into play, because this gives us the extended features of having a post grid. So to get this, we'll just hover up in the search widget bar here and just type in post. As you can see, we have a post type grid widget that turns up here. Now we're just going to want to drag that into our page. And as you can see, there we go. We've got a perfectly functioning post grid. So now if we just want to, we can just publish that page. And we can go back to our blog link here and reload it. And here's our post page. So we don't have a featured image for this post, so that's why this looks like that. All these other ones are all of this is just stock content on this website at the moment, so I need to change that. But then if you want to edit the look of how these this grid looks, you can come in here, you can change the style of it, you can change the content width, you can make it a lot smaller, a lot bigger, a lot wider. Come in here and you can have the background overlays, give it some borders. You can do solid border, and as you can see there's a border around the section now as well. We can go into here and we can change the layout, change the spacing in between each article and that sort of stuff. But other than that, that's basically how you do it. It's a nice and simple, easy way to make a custom blog page, especially if you're a beginner with WordPress. Then this is quite a simple thing to be able to do. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video, and if you are keen for more simple, easy to do tutorials like this, then please give the video a like and subscribe. Cheers for watching.